Pandas get rows which are not in other data frame. I've two pandas data frames that have some rows in common. Suppose data frame 2 is a subset of data frame 1. How can I get the rows of data frame 1 which are not in data frame 2? df1 df2 expected result.
One method would be to store the result of an inner merge form both DFS, then we can simply select the rows when one column's values are not in this common. Edit. Another method as you found is to use ISON, which will produce NaN rows which you can drop. However, if df2 does not start rows in the same manner, then this won't work. We'll produce the entire df.
As already hinted at, ISON requires columns and indices to be the same for a match. If match should only be on row contents, one way to get the mask for filtering the rows present is to convert the rows to a or multi-index. If index should be taken into account, set_index has keyword argument append to append columns to existing index. If columns do not line up, list df.columns can be replaced with column specifications to align the data. Could alternatively be used to create the indices, though I doubt this is more efficient.
Suppose you have two data frames, df_1 and df_2 having multiple fields, column_names, and you want to find only those entries in df_1 that are not in df_2 on the basis of some fields, e.g. fields_x, fields_y. Follow the following steps. Step 1. Add a column key 1 and key 2 to df_1 and df_2 respectively. Step 2. Merge the data frames as shown below. Field_x and field_y are our desired columns. Step 3. Select only those rows from df_1 where key 1 is not equal to key 2. Step 4. Drop key 1 and key 2. This method will solve your problem and works fast even with big data sets. I have tried it for data frames with more than 1 million rows.
Assuming that the indexes are consistent in the data frames, not taking into account the actual call values.
If you want to support the channel, be consider liking and subscribing.